Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you the box by Fashionsta. So this is a monthly box, makeup, beauty, skincare, blah, blah, blah. $20 a month, and it's only been around for a couple of months. I don't know, a little more than a couple of months by now. I don't know, maybe 6 or something. I don't know. It's been a minute. I think this is my 6th unboxing of this, and I got it the 2nd month it was available. Maybe the 1st. I don't remember. Memory. There is a giveaway going on. Linked down below. It is the milestone giveaway. There are 8 winners for that. And also, I just posted me ordering the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. That will also be linked down below. There will be a giveaway associated with that. Let's get into this box. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And it does come with a thing. It comes with a thing that tells you how much everything costs. So this is what I am seeing. So the first thing I am pulling out is this, and it is Luna by Luna, and it is a lip oil that retails for $18. It says this lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry to damaged. Okay, I'm not going to open it right now because I do have quite a few of these sort of things open right now, but I look forward to trying it. The next thing I am pulling out is by Bang Beauty. Let's see, what is this? Oh, there we go. So this is a lip crayon, and it retails for $18. Let's take a peek. Okay, I'm not gonna swatch it. I will show it to you. It's just like, it's mauve. It's a mauve-y mauve. And let's see, does it have a name? Kiss Me. So, I mean, that's cute, but I will probably just pass that along, throw it in a giveaway or something. It's not really my color. I mean, I don't know. I feel like out of all the lipsticks I own, I reach for pink or red the most. The next thing I am pulling out is this. I cannot read anything that it says. I think it is, so I think it's Clee. C-L-E is the brand name. I've never heard of it. It is a multi-cream that retails for $32. And it says multi-cream is rich in a luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oils. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. I will just pass that along. We've talked about this before. I have an overload of face creams and body creams and eye creams and lip creams. Too many that I need to use, so I will just pass that along. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, what is this? Okay, so I'm gonna pronounce this Kaolian. I have no idea if that's how you actually say that, but it is a Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo for $16. A detoxifying duo featuring a streaming mask that opens and deeply cleans pores, then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. Oh, okay, I'm cool with that. I will totally keep that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Precise Eyeliner Marker by Galactic. Can you see that? Not so much. But that's okay. I will just pass that along. I don't need another eyeliner right now. I just don't. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is by Lucy, and it is Metalit? What is it? An oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask. Highlighter, 20-minute treatment and moisturizer to instantly hydrate. How can it be all those things? A sleeping mask, a highlighter. I'm intrigued. Let's look at it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's cute. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know, I'll have to read the directions. I think that I will probably keep that just because I'm intrigued by it. I don't think I've ever heard of anything that can double as a face mask, a highlighter, and a 20-minute treatment. So interesting. Okay, and the last thing I am pulling out, I own this. Well, I actually don't own it. I've given it away. So this is IBY Beauty City Limits eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $20. Oh, and that Metal Lit retails for $15. So I own, well, I didn't own it. I used to own this palette, and I ended up putting it in a giveaway. So I will just do the same with this palette. Just because it wasn't one that really appealed to me, but this is what the packaging looks like, and I'll show you. I won't swatch anything, but that's what it looks like. I mean, it's a pretty palette. I have a lot of these colors in my collection, so it's not, I don't know, it's not wowing me, you know what I mean? And usually at this point in my life, palettes have to wow me for me to want to keep them. But I mean, it's a nice palette, and I've heard others review the palette after actually using it, and they like it. So one of you guys will get that. So that is it for the box by Fashionsta. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and have a great day. Bye.